The receiver needs to be wall mounted. Its location needs to reflect the fact it needs wiring into the heat pump control box. To wall mount the receiver, use a suitable size screwdriver and turn the locking key 1/4 turn anti-clockwise to the unlock position. Remove the front panel by lifting the bottom edge first. Check for level, mark and drill 2 mounting holes and fix the bracket to the wall using suitable fixings for the wall type. The receiver requires a 230 volt AC feed which can be taken from connection 10 of the heat pump control box, labelled room start power. Use a 1.5mm 3-core flex for this connection. Connect the live, neutral and earth wires as shown and run the 3-core cable to the receiver mounted on the wall. The 3-core cable can enter the receiver bracket from either the rear or the bottom, with knockouts provided for both options. If using the bottom entry, secure the flex with the cable clamp provided. At the bottom right of the receiver, you'll find terminals labelled Supply 230 volts AC. Connect the live, neutral and earth wires to these terminals. The next step involves wiring the low voltage connections located to the left of the supply cables and labelled Normally Open and Common. Use a 0.75mm 2-core flex for these connections. After wiring each terminal, connect the wire from the receiver to connection 3 of the heat pump control box labelled Zone 1 on-off thermostat. To finish, refit the cover on the receiver and turn the locking key a 1/4 turn clockwise to the lock position. If you have a second heating zone, follow the same process for the second receiver installation, ensuring the low voltage connections are wired into connection 4 of the heat pump control box, labelled Zone 2 on-off thermostat.